Hi team, thank you so much for joining us. It will be a great pleasure to get to know you, a senior executive from IBM Communications team.
Hi Tim, it will be such an honor for us to share a session with you. Thank you so much for all the information and knowledge you share. Hope we can see you next time.
Hi Tim, thank you for coming to our class and sharing your in-depth knowledge and valuable insights on the future of AI. Hopefully we can meet in the future and have deeper conversations.
Hi Tim, it's a great honor to listen to your speech. Thank you for your valuable information, and this will definitely give us better understanding of IBM Cloud Data Platform and Artificial Intelligence.
Hi team, my name is Melody. I'm a graduate student at NYU. It's a pleasure to gain more information about the IBM Cloud Data Platform, especially something related to communications, since you've been an expert at IBM for several years. We would always love to learn from you.